5 possible factors influencing your commercial cleaning quote. Welcome to our Fastklean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel Fastklean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Do you think you are getting the right quote from your cleaner? We can help you solve the mystery by considering these 5 possible factors that influence your commercial cleaning quotes. Get in here. Granted, it is smart to compare quotes from different commercial cleaning services before choosing the right fit for your needs. However, what you may not know is that the cheapest is not always the best. Here is why. First, there are a couple of factors that you should consider besides the price. It is best to narrow down your list based on the strengths of the cleaners before considering the price. And most importantly, it is important to understand that several factors affect the quote you get. For starters, the size and time demand can either increase or decrease the amount on the quote. Also, the location, experience level, and expertise of the cleaner significantly influences your commercial cleaning quote. So, before you dismiss cleaners because of their quote, make sure you consider these 5 possible factors influencing your commercial cleaning quote. Everyone gets a bonus tip at the end of the video, so sit back and enjoy. Also, this will be a good time to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Number 1. Experience and expertise. Sometimes you have to consider the experience and expertise of the cleaners while analyzing the quote. For a beginner with no experience and less expertise, you would expect a cheaper quote. However, a more experienced cleaner with more expertise will charge more for the same task. This is the same practice in virtually every industry. So, if you want a pro to handle the job perfectly, be sure to pay a little more. Number 2. Work demand. Your commercial cleaning quote is highly influenced by the type of task. A very demanding task will inevitably attract more pay compared to a property of the same size with less demanding tasks. Therefore, before you compare your quote to that of your friends, make sure the task demand is the same. Number 3. Products and equipment needed. Do you know that certain types of cleaning require standard equipment and products? For such cleaning services, it is not out of place for the cleaner to charge you more. In this case, the cleaner is not only considering the time and work demand, but the equipment and the expertise needed. We can both agree that it is fair for such services to cost more than others, right? Number 4. Size of the property. How big is your office or home? More often than not, you hear clients comparing their quotes to that of their friends, colleagues, or family members, without carefully observing the reason behind the difference in quotes. Is your friend's home or office the exact size as your home or office? Only if the answer to this question is yes, that you can confidently compare both quotes. Number 5. Structure of the property. Besides the size of your property, the structure can make a significant difference. Both homes could be the same size, but different in structures. Are there the same amount of windows, doors, and rooms in both homes or offices? This is an important factor to consider before comparing your quote to that of your colleague. Bonus tip. Distance and location. We decided to save the best till the last, because this particular factor has caused a lot of trouble over the years. Let us quickly add that the distance and location of the cleaner can affect the commercial cleaning quote you get at the end of the day. A cleaner who has to travel from a far distance will most likely charge more than one just around the corner. Even more noteworthy, cleaning prices differ between states. Cleaners in high-end states, with higher costs of living, will charge more than others even though every other factor is the same. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at Fastklean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208884949 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Create a greener and healthier future.